So digging around, I found a piece of ash ring that's a leftover from another project. I didn't use this ring, and I think that maybe I can put it between this piece and the other piece. It is not a 16-piece ring, it's a 12-piece ring, but I still think I want to try it. It'll be off a little bit, but that's okay. And put it in between this piece, these pieces right here, and the bottom piece, which is a full bottom piece. So, and I think I can make this look really good. All right, let's glue this thing together. Okay, sorry about that. I had an SD card error. I got this cut down to how I want it. Got a tenon on the bottom. I can pop this other part off. But first I'm going to sand this portion up right here. So let's get to that. I want to take a second and talk about what I did right here. I super glued or CA glued this onto this tenon. All right, I could have went that way and just kept the bottom of the bowl the way it was that way and used this as a tenon. It's strong enough, but I wanted to do it the other way. So, but this allows me to take it and a couple of good whacks and pop it off, and now I can start hogging this out right here. So, this is how I've glued it. I don't know if this is going to turn out the way I thought it would look. But if we come back, we're going to turn this down. We're going to turn it into that bowl we were looking at doing. Just as my recording stopped, the tenon gave way. So what I'm going to do is flip it back open it up here, put a little recess in there, and start over on that part. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I've got it turned around, chucked back up, and it's almost center, but this is still thick enough not to worry about that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, little design change. I'm going to bring this down. It's going to make it a little smaller. and I'm going to bring it in about half the size of this 2-inch thick piece of Brazilian cherry. So let's go from there.